Hey guys, some people were asking about the handrail hooks or stair hooks. So I'm just going to show you the proper way to attach these, because if you do them backwards they actually don't fit. But if you do them the right way you get about 2 to 3 inches of overlap. So here I've got a 2-inch vacuum hose and a solution line. The right way to do it is you're going to lay the hook flat. It's like a box shape and it's going to come up out like this. Right here you have the, I guess you can call it the loop side of the Velcro or the soft side. And then you'll just wrap that around. And then here you've got the hook part, or the rough part, that's going to come up through this side, like this, and then just right back, oops, right back down. So you can see we've got overlap from here, well it's this whole stitch section actually, full overlap, so plenty of length on this Velcro strap to hold both a 2-inch vacuum hose and a solution line. So just again real quick, you're going to lay the box part flat on the vacuum hose with the hook coming up and around, and then you'll just wrap this around this way, up through like this, and then it's going to come back around and attach. So hopefully that helps.